Hi, Jameson. Oh. You had a good breakfast.
See?
Oh. How you do it? How you do it?
Big boy. Hi, big boy. Hi. You're gonna be with Daddy all night next week. Huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna behave too. So.
Daddy can walk.
Yes.
Francine down in 101 went for a walk with us.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, big boy. Hi. Yeah. Hi, big boy.
Oh,
You like that chair?
looking at mommy.
The chair is nice, huh? Oh my God. You like the chair? Huh? Huh? That's a nice chair. Oh, what? What's wrong? Huh? What? You like the chair? Yeah. Look at his mouth.
I'm doing that.
You don't know how to do that. You don't know. Oh. You don't know how to do that. Huh? You don't know. Huh? You like that chair? You want to sleep there too?
Shoot.
You want to sleep on that chair too?